Brink's, a trusted name in security since 1859. With Brink's Deadbolts, you can feel secure knowing your family and valuables are safe. Brink's Deadbolts are equipped with high security features. If necessary, adjust the latch back set according to how your doorknob hole was prepared. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the back set. If the distance is 2 3/8 inches, you can use the latch as it came in the box. It's preset to this back set. For doors with a 2 3/4 inch back set, simply twist the latch to adjust it to the marked 2 3/4 inch position. Insert the latch into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure it is in the up position as indicated on the latch body. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 screws to secure the latch. Keeping the latch bolt retracted, insert the main deadbolt body from the exterior side of the door and the tailpiece going through the opening of the latch. Insert the interior deadbolt assembly with the thumb turn positioned vertically and place the 2 screws through the holes on the rose plate. Tighten the screws and test the installation by rotating, locking, and unlocking to make sure the latch retracts. In just a few easy steps, you have updated your home by installing a beautiful, durable, and secure Brink's lock.